Now on our Ethereum to our USD, let's see where it will be moving for this week. Now we can see our Ethereum, it actually peaked about last week. We had a fall to our 1,000. Currently we now had a retracement straight to about 11,000, right? And we hit this. Not only do we hit our 10 period moving average, we also hit this our 20 period moving average. After our price has hit our 20 period moving average, starts falling down, that is still an indication that we are still on a downward trend. Analyzing from the 4-hour time frame, I'm seeing it. So for this week, we are be aiming to break below our peak where we hit about 1,000. We should be able to break below it for the week. Currently, our price is still trending downward, by the way. So we are aiming to break it. If possibly we hit 900 for the week. So if possibly we hit 900, that is if there's enough volatility, by the way. So our price has actually been falling little. So the reason why I said we will reach it 900 is that we saw another key level here, which is our price reacted to, and it's pushed up, which is it's pushed up to our 912. The lowest it was about 881. So that is why we should aim for 912, and if possibly our price continues to go down, then we should hit about 881. But if not, then we should be able to hit 912 on our Ethereum for the week. Now let's see it on our daily time frame. Let's see if I will be able to get it where, as we can see, we've actually gotten this fall, right? We've actually gotten a pullback. Now we are waiting for a breakout below this our liquidity area here. We can see this our liquidity area where our price pushed down, then it's pushed up. Then so you are waiting for a breakout below it, then continue downward to this our low here where we had this huge liquidity push up. So we would want to hit about 912 for the week. We are still on a downward trend. Our price is still below our 10 period moving average, so we are still on a downward trend. So that is the analysis. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.